United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 169, Consultation and Cooperation with International and Non-Governmental Organizations. 1. The Secretary-General shall, on matters within the competence of the authority, make suitable arrangements, with the approval of the Council, for consultation and cooperation with international and non-governmental organizations recognized by the Economic and Social Council of the United Nations. 2. Any organization with which the Secretary-General has entered into an arrangement under paragraph the 1st may designate representatives to attend meetings of the organs of the authority as observers in accordance with the rules of procedure of these organs. Procedures shall be established for obtaining the views of such organizations in appropriate cases. 3. The Secretary-General may distribute to states parties written reports submitted by the non-governmental organizations referred to in paragraph L on subjects in which they have special competence and which are related to the work of the authority.